Welcome back to this brand new video coming back to you guys from Tageero Affiliate Marketing YouTube channel. Today's video it's about how to make $100 to $1,000 with Clickbank and affiliate marketing. If you guys are not familiar with Clickbank it's number one affiliate marketing marketplace where vendors like people who have products they upload their products and you earn commission promoting them. It's um, there is many networks like Clickbank, there's Max Bounty, there's JVZoo, there's many more. If you don't have an account with Clickbank, I suggested if you are brand new, Clickbank is the best way to start uh, your affiliate marketing journey. And if you don't have an account, you come to clickbank.com and sign up for an account. It's easy. Once you have that, you come to marketplace. Once you come to the marketplace, then you will end up here. Here are the categories as seen. There's many products to promote, categories to promote. I'm sorry. There's health and fitness, e-business. There's many more. Um, if you don't have this, you if you don't see this, then you will need to wait until you get accepted. Usually, it takes 1 day to 3 days. Clickbank, it's easier to get in, but many other networks like Max Bounty, it's hard to get in. Okay, without further ado, let's start. Today's video is I'm gonna show you how to promote products using native ads. If you guys are not familiar with native ads, there's many native ads. For example, there's propeller ads, there's MGID, there's many more. First thing, what do we have to do is we have to choose a product. For example, you can either choose from here and click this handy dandy search button where it will show you the number one results that you can get in. But I don't suggest it if you are brand new to this because there's many competition in this. Because number one, there's many people are promoting this. For example, for this product research, there's 622 people are promoting this, which means there's many competition in it. So what do I do is I come to my categories that I prefer, which is e-business and e-marketing, and then I choose the one that I like. For example, I've been promoting the 12-minute system by Devin Brown, which is very nice affiliate training to join and learn from. If you don't know it, I highly recommend you. And you can also get this training down in the description. What do we have to do? We have to click the affiliate page. And as you can see, the gravity is nice. So once we click it, then a window will appear that will show you what do you have to do. You need to watch this video and also learn about this product before you promoting this. Okay, once you have this, then what do you have to do is we have to come and see the affiliate links, and also you can funnels, like you can come in and get the swipes. Swipe means the email sequence or the emails that you'll be sending out to people who subscribe to your list. And also what we have to do is we have to come to ClickFunnels and make a funnel. It's very easy. ClickFunnels is one of the easiest funnel builder and or landing page builder that you can use to make money online. And you can also add your AWeber, which I highly recommend and use for your email marketing. All these links it's going to be down in the description to join. All of them are free trial. For example, I have prepared this. You can also get them in the description below to get this funnel. It's very easy funnel to use and easy funnel to understand as well. I don't suggest you guys to make very high end or complicated funnels that users won't be able to understand. Make it very simple funnel that has an opt-in page and has one words or two words. For example, like this warning, which it's a attention grabbing, and this training it says how to get $100 to $1,000 with Clickbank, and then you add your opt-in, which you will connect it with your autoresponder. And then what you have to do is you have to come here See, this is my affiliate link, and then what you have to do is come to the settings, general, and then add your link, which mine is already linked, but I'm gonna do it again, and then save. Make sure to be able to also connect your AWeber so that your list be imported whenever some user add their list. Now, what do we have to do? Now, there's two ways. You could either use Udemy, which is if you are new and your budget is tight, because with native ads or with other ads, it's not guaranteed to make a sale. So, what if you are new and you don't know anything about ads or trade? Solo. Ads like native ads, social media ads, Facebook, Google ads as well. You need to know what you're doing before you start paying money to Google or Facebook or native ads. So for people new, if you are new, I suggest you to go to udemy.com, which I'm gonna leave a link to sign up, and then you'll get $5 free of your purchase. And then once we come here and you signed up, then what do we have to do? We have to choose someone who has a big list and has many likes, also has. Okay, let's first choose, and I'm going to explain to you in details. Okay, so this guy has 3,500 likes, and he has 48% people said that they've got a purchase, which means 50% of people that buys from him, they get a sale. And there's 20% repeat buyers. You can buy 100 leads for $67, and I highly recommend you guys use Aweber and also ClickFunnels to build your funnel, and also ClickMagic, which I'm going to show you. ClickMagic is a marketing tools that tracks all your leads. It tracks people that signed up. It tracks people that opt in. It tracks if there is also bots that some users on Udemy, they are using bots and they send in fake traffic. It will also track that, so you can ask them why you send in fake links. All right, and then Click Magic is also Teleda's free trial. You get them in the description. So you add your link with the Click Magic and everything, and then you buy, and then you will get $5 of your purchase if you use my link, which you will get it for $61 instead of 67. All right, that's for Udemy. And now for the people who are more advanced, you can add funds to your account, which I didn't. I have finished my funds, which I'm currently not using propeller ads. I'm mainly focused on social media ads like Facebook ads, which I also showed you before on the earlier video, how to do Facebook ads. So what you have to do is you have to sign up to Propeller Ads and create a campaign. It's very easy. They also have a live chat 24/7 that they will answer all your questions. So that's it for this video. Make sure to check all the links that I provided down in the description. And if you are new to this channel, don't forget to smash the like button. If you also subscribe to this channel and leave me your suggestions. Also, my Instagram down below. Add me on Instagram and ask me any questions you have, and I'll be happy to answer. That's it for this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.